What up, bottom enders? This is JJ Vale with Bassist 718. Today I want to do an unboxing of a 6-string bass. And the reason why this is a little different for me is because after all these years, if you've watched my channel, I have never ever played an Ibanez bass, or owned one for that matter. So this time around I decided to bite the bullet and try the Ibanez, the EHB1506MS 6-string bass. The flat black ice seems to be the one that's the most available at this point. Looked like a beautiful instrument, but again, I've never played Ibanez. I've been kind of biased against it for some reason or another. But anyway, let's do this unboxing, guys. Again, this is the Ibanez EHB1506MS flat black ice. Whoa! Get this guy open for you so you guys can see what was in the box. The typical box inside another box. And there we have it. Let's go ahead and open up this bad boy. The shank. Try to make this quick. And the included gig bag. There we go. This is really lightweight already, so that is like crazy for a 6-string bass. Here you go. Look at that, guys. That is beautiful, huh? Just check her out. Just give you time to take it in. All right. I just want you to hear what comes out of the box. I'm not going to go through all the tonal differences because I don't know anything about this bass. But I just want you to hear, because I just pulled it out the box. It was, the only thing I did was I just tuned it to A440 because I think it was tuned to C. But so yeah, you can definitely get some funk on if you want it. Right out the box. I'm impressed. Like, wow, like right out the box, she's got like great. Doesn't feel like I need to adjust anything on her. I'm like impressed. I gotta get used to the wide, to the, you know, a little bit of the width. Haven't played a 6-string in years, let alone an Ibanez. I am impressed with Ibanez, I'll tell you. So yeah, I mean. Hear that B string. I mean, it sounds monstrous. She has a passive mode as well. That I can find quick. I just don't know the other settings. It looks like I'll be here for a while, just, you know, getting used to it. We're pretty much from passive to active. But the string spacing isn't as bad as I expected. I thought that it would be like a nightmare because I played other 6-string basses where I had no freaking clue how people get in between the strings. I mean, like, wow, I'm impressed. So let's see where this goes. Give me some time to live with it, and I will definitely do like just an update, a really quick video letting you know my take on it, you know, all the different sonic tonalities with it. But right now, I just got to sit down and mess with it, and then I'll play it through the BTB, and we'll, you know, kick some ass. So again, guys, if you have any questions, ask away, please. Otherwise, I just cover topics that I care about. So let me know what you care about. Again, JJ Vale, Bassist 718, letting you know that these Ibanez 6 kicks some serious ass. JJ Vale, talk to you soon. Bye.